Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add glitch transition effects to your videos inside of CapCut. So I'm going to start by dragging and dropping some clips into my timeline right here, and I'm just going to shorten the videos a little bit. So take a look, this is what it looks like. Pretty good, but I want this to start that way. You watch it through. There we go. So to add our glitch transition effect, let's move on over to our transitions tab. Then here we're going to see plenty of options to choose from, but we are interested in the glitch category here at the left-hand side of your screen. If you don't see the categories or tags, simply click on the transitions tab here at the left side of your screen, and it should open up the drop down menu. So we're going to go ahead and click on the glitch tab, and now we should have a few to choose from. As you can see, there are plenty of different styles and plenty of different options. So I'm pretty attracted to the look of this color glitch, so that's what we're going to use. So to add this transition, simply click and drag it into your timeline and place it where you want the transition to occur. And now that that's done, let's go ahead and zoom into our timeline a little bit. We can go ahead and watch it through. There we go. Looks pretty good and looks pretty nice. If you ever want to change the duration of your transition, simply make sure that the transition is highlighted by clicking on it in the timeline, and then you should be able to see the duration slider appear here at the top right hand side of your screen. So you can change that. And as you can see from the timeline, it also changes how long it plays or how long a transition lasts. So let's make it a little bit faster and play it through. And there we go. Pretty smooth and pretty nice looking transition. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.